and welcome to Learning with Lisa. Let's do some Easter phonics. Rosie Rabbit needs your help to put the little plastic toys into the Easter eggs. She has also left her carrots lying around in the factory. I need you to try to find them for her. Rosie Rabbit needs a toy that has a F phoneme, spelt PH. Which one should she choose? Frog, elephant, flag. Yes, Rosie needs the elephant. Elephant has a PH in it. Help Charlie write the label for elephant. Use your phoneme fingers to help. Are you ready? E, L, E, F, N, T. Elephant. Well done. Rosie now needs a toy that has a split eye diagraph. Which one should she choose? Tie, light, dice. Yes, Rosie needs the dice. Help Charlie write the label for dice. Ready? D-I-X. Dice. Fantastic. The next toy Rosie needs has an E sound in it, spelt E-Y. Which one does she need? Monkey, T-shirt, sweets. That's right, Rosie needs the monkey. There's an E-Y in monkey. Which letters does Charlie need this time? Ready? M, A, N, K, E. Monkey. Fantastic. Let's help Rosie find the toy that has an O sound, spelt O-W. Does she need the toad, snowman, boat? Yes, Rosie needs the snowman. Snowman has O-W in. Help Charlie write the word snowman. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. S, N, O, M, A, N. Snowman. Fantastic. The next toy Rosie needs has the U sound, spelt U-E in it. Is it the bike, boots, statue? Yes, Rosie needs the statue. Charlie write the word statue. Are you ready to use your 30 fingers? Statue. Statue. Well done. The next toy Rosie needs has an A sound in it, spelt A-Y. Which one shall we choose? Crayon, snake, game. That's right, we need the crayon. Can you tell Charlie how to write the word crayon? Ready? K-R-A-O-N. Crayon. Wonderful. Rosie's next toy has the E sound, spelt E-A. Which one shall we choose? Sweets, monkey, beads. Yes, there is an E in beads. Help Charlie write the word beads. Use your funny fingers to help. Beads. Beads. Fabulous. The last toy Rosie needs has the sound, spelt I-R. I wonder what we would choose. Computer, shirt, beaker. Yes, Rosie needs the shirt. There is an I and an R in shirt. Help Charlie write the word shirt. Remember to use your funny fingers. Are you ready? Shirt. Fantastic. Charlie needs to check the Easter egg list to make sure everything has been put into the eggs. Read the words with him. Elephant. Dice. Monkey. Snowman. Statue. Crayon. Beads. Shirt. Rosie and Charlie are now ready to deliver all the Easter eggs. Thank you for your help. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, bye bye for now. Bye!